Hello and thank you very much for tuning in to this new trip report. I'm here at the airport of the very sunny Denver, Colorado, and I'm here to fly with United to Albuquerque. I just have to get my boarding pass now, so let's go.
The United check-in desks are located on the west side of the airport. Check-in is mostly automated with check-in kiosks. When I got my boarding pass, I got the option to volunteer to be bumped to another flight the next day in exchange for a voucher, but my flight was not overbooked. After security, I went on to the C terminal where there's a Learjet 35A aircraft on display. This was the first ever private jet to land at Denver Airport and was used for a record around the world flight. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to read more. To my surprise, Denver does really well with power outlets. Underneath every couple seats you can find a working power socket and USB ports. Denver Airport is the largest airport in North America by total land area and the second largest in the world and one of United's hubs. The flight to Albuquerque today was operated with a 17-year-old Airbus A320 and took about an hour. I was seated in an economy plus seat, which we'll have a better look at in a moment.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you find your row, please step into the row. After you place your bags in the overhead bin, that way we can have a quick boarding. Thank you. If you want to take advantage of our personal device entertainment on this flight, please ensure that you have the United app.
The Economy Plus seat is just like another regular economy seat, but with an extra 6 inches or 15 centimeters of legroom, which is very spacious. Another advantage of this seat is a universal power socket, which regular economy lacks. In the seat pocket, you can find stuff like an advertisement for the United credit card, their in-flight magazine and the safety card. The tray table is quite big, but had not been cleaned before this flight. The seat also comes with a comfy adjustable headrest. What I also noticed is the lack of row number 9. A bit further down, the number actually jumps from 12 to 21. Why this is very interesting as well, and if you want to read more about that, I'll also leave a link in the description. On flights shorter than an hour and a half, United does not sell food or drinks, but they do give out a free cup of water. One of the crew members noticed me recording and gifted me a free beer from first class, which was a very nice gesture. And before I knew it, the seatbelt signs went back on and it was time to land in Albuquerque. It was my first time flying with United. It was a short flight, but a sweet flight. The legroom in Economy Plus is great. Also, the power outlet is a nice amenity. I'd love to fly with United again. I want to thank you very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed watching it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next week.